Oh!
Clank, hop on that turret.
Yes! Bonuses! So I imagine you're pissed off. Yes, I can understand why you're pissed off. Ow. I understand a lot. Ow, pain. And I want to help you, I really do, but I need to live. So I'm gonna die. Not doing too well here. Yay! I can move. Nah. Yeah, just you wait and see what I can do. You clearly haven't met a Lombax before. Just you wait and see. So I know it's going to be a shock when I absolutely destroy you. Also, it's really hard to concentrate in this level. There's so many things to do. There are so many things to do in this level, like in terms of moving and controlling. Thank you! Oh, damn it. Oh, I missed a bonus thing. Money! Lots of money. I could have sworn I had 100,000 before, not 150,000. Or near 150,000. How many have I gained in this level already? I mean, I'm getting a lot, so is that many? That seems quite a lot. Oh, that's Ramatanium. That's what those things are. Unless these give you loads, I don't know. So the triangles give you Ramatanium, and the enemies give you bolts. If I'm correct. So is this planet just for this, or... Oh god. Yeah, is this planet just for this, or is it for, there's the... Yeah, that's all 5. So I've missed one again. Just one single, damn it. Seriously, damn it. So yeah, I think... I remember this planet... Is this the dinosaur planet? Or is it the smuggler guy? I don't know, I really don't remember. It might be smuggler. Well, both of them are smuggler guy planets, but I've got 3 planets that I remember from this game that's left, apart from the final planet, which I'm not going to spoil. And yeah, I don't remember this. Yeah, I definitely remember a city-esque planet, but I remember it being really early on, and I haven't skipped it or done it, or at least the one I'm thinking of anyway. At least I don't think I have. The one I'm thinking of has a completely different starting point.
We're late for yoga class at Sir Castle Sam's meditation station. Fall back. Let Iron
Boss?
Caruso take care of this rat.
Yep, boss. Yeah, the thing I'm thinking of... Yeah, I definitely haven't done the part I'm thinking of, I'm pretty sure. Because the hollow plan piece is pretty much... It's pretty much like, I know where it is, I remember where it is, and I definitely haven't been to that kind of place yet. I'm positive I haven't. So there must be a planet later on. But I'm forgetting where exactly in the game it is. I just remember it being early on, but it probably isn't. Whoa! Damn! You got some good moves. Ow. You got some painful attacks, dude. I'm surprised you don't hear, like, every time you get hit, the ship just go, ow! Because that sort of makes sense. Sort of. It's slightly. Oh, God! Ah, move. Move faster, please. Okay, good. Damn it! I know why I missed it as well. Oh, I got a skill point. Must have done it in a time limit or something. Or killed enough enemies, I don't know. Or just generally completed it. You completed a mission, yay! Ah, here we go. There is a planet.
Oh, we're picking up multiple hostiles in the spaceport. You rookies got the stones for a halo jump?
I do not understand. What are stones? Do I have them?
I'll tell you later. And no.
Lol. What hurt me? Ow. Apart from that. But seriously, my controller rumbled before that cutscene, and Ratchet also went, ugh! So, what hurt what? So confused. Now would not be a bad time for this. Do I have stones? No, Clank. No, you don't. Not quite. You have nuts. You are nuts. No. Not those kind of nuts. No, really, you have nuts. And books. I don't know where the tornado is. It's so very hard to control sometimes. But this is another good area to use it. Gets stuck sometimes, but still good area. Yes, upgraded my nanotech. Good. Yes, I can tell. There are lots of enemies of his. Go! My god, there's so many of them. I remember this level being quite difficult in terms of like there being so many enemies, but and probably the fact that I'm using weapons just to upgrade them isn't a good idea, but oh well. Have I upgraded all of them? That, yes I have, so it's just these three now. Interesting. Which means I can sort of demote them to the second set of weapons, since I'm not going to need them as much in terms of the fact that I'm going to be using these ones for upgrading. It's a sad moment when that happens, but alas, sacrifices must be made. Hello. Don't mind me. Okay. Oh, this isn't a B3. It's the only thing that isn't a B3. Please upgrade very soon. Yes! Good. I was hoping it would. Go! The what? This isn't gonna hurt us, right? Oh, I have... When did it turn black? Go. Yay! Awesome. Well, before we do that, I'm just going to check around, because you know, bolts and stuff, and weapon vendors and. Yep, fine. Let's see. I want to upgrade this. I really do. Plus it's expensive. Jeez, it really is expensive. Whoa. God, this stuff is expensive. 200 buzz blades. These are also expensive. Jesus! Why? No, can't do that. That's my stalker. Damn it. Damn it. Oh, so expensive. Ah. Okay, right, let's get a quick select. So, that isn't needed, so replace it with that. That isn't needed, replace it with... is it that one? Yeah, it's that one. And the others are fine. Yeah, okay. No, I meant to do that. No, wait, what have I done wrong? There we go. Yeah, okay, that makes sense. Cool. That all makes sense now. All starting to come together.